A light attack variant of the T-50 Golden Eagle. Military spokesman BG Restituto Padilla said 2 of the jets would be arriving Wednesday next week, while 2 more would be delivered in April and the last 2 in May. The 6 jets are part of the 12 FA-50s purchased by the military from manufacturer Korean Aerospace Industries for $18.9 billion during the Aquino administration. 6 FA-50s have earlier been delivered to the Philippines via the Clark Air Base, home to the 1st Air Division, in 3 batches of 2 since November 2015. By April, FA-50s with tail numbers 009 and 010 will be delivered, while 011 and 012 will be handed over this May. By that time, the PAF's 12 FA-50 fleet will be completed, said Padilla. The military spokesman said the military was also considering the acquisition of 6 more FA-50s from KAI, saying the FA-50s currently in the inventory of the Air Force are performing well. We are constantly evaluating the jet and so far, its performance has been good. If we will be given additional funding and authority, we might acquire 6 more units, according to Padilla.